Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're about to fix a motion not available wallpaper. First, confirm your device supports motion and that the OS is updated. Once done, free about 200 to 500 megabytes and close heavy apps so the system can load motion assets. Next, restart the device to clear transient glitches. You'll want a fresh session. Open Settings, navigate to Wallpaper, then Motion Options. Now you can try selecting the motion wallpaper. If it still shows unavailable, proceed to the diagnostic steps that follow. Now you'll diagnose deeper causes. Verify permissions for the wallpaper app, storage, display over other apps, and battery optimization exemptions, because restricted access often blocks motion playback. Next, inspect the motion file itself. Clear the app cache, then re-download or re-import the motion asset to ensure integrity. If playback still fails, boot into safe mode or create a test user to isolate third-party conflicts. This helps identify whether another app or launcher is preventing motion support from initializing. Finish by applying final fixes. Update or reinstall the Wallpaper app and any related system UI packages, because corrupted installs are common culprits. Then reset wallpaper settings or try a different motion asset to confirm whether the device hardware and drivers can render motion. If that works, reapply your preferred wallpaper. If it still fails, check developer logs or roll back the most recent system or app update as a troubleshooting tip. This often reveals regressions. Make sure to reboot after each significant change.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.